That is the famous Kite Beach. When you see pictures of people posing here on the beach with Burj Al Arab on the background, that is the name of the beach, Kite Beach, where you have to come. Always from the hotels that they do not have their own private beach. There are bus shuttles provided, so you can come by bus shuttles. They are always free of charge. And the very important thing is, before to leave the bus shuttle, always ask the bus driver what time you have to go back, because according the schedule in our hotel we are supposed to go back 3:30. Today when I asked the bus driver, he said that we have to go back 3 o'clock, that we are leaving 3 o'clock. And it's pity to leave this beautiful beach 30 minutes earlier, but of course you are not obligated to go by the bus shuttle. You can always go back to your hotel by taxi and to pay. Yeah, and that is the beach, the sand, beautiful. And here on the background is Burj Al Arab and Blue Meridian Hotel. Yeah, I think Blue Meridian or Jumeirah Hotel. It is a big public beach, no entry fee, free of charge. Come, enjoy, bring whatever you need, and everyone is happy. I don't know there the playground for the children, if that is free of charge or with money.